So hey Ed, now for our Hipster Shop app. We've got some basic services set up, but my site is getting so popular, I need to do more.
Istio can help with that too. There are all kinds of advanced traffic management features you can do to control your content.
Great, so does that mean that you're gonna show me how it works before my site becomes too mainstream?
Sure thing, let's jump right into it. So right away, we're at Hipster Shop version 1. We can scroll through the web page, we can click on products, and we can figure out if we want to add them to our cart or not. But right away, let's take a step back here. Let's go back to our main page, and let's figure out how we want to do routing to our front ends. So first here, we'll run a command to see the different front ends that we're running. And you see right here, we're running 3 different versions of our front end. So what we'll do now is we'll take a look at the virtual services that are running, and we'll take a look to see what the front-end virtual service is actually doing and how it's routing traffic currently. So when we run this command, we'll see here that all the traffic is being routed to some subset of our pods known as version 1. Now, what does v1 mean? So here what we'll do is we'll take a look at the destination rules. And in particular, we'll take a look at the front-end destination rule to see what v1 means. When we take a look at this, we see that v1 relates to version 1 of our application, v2 to version 2, and v3 to version 3. A nice simple way of kind of keeping all this organized. So right here, we have a user that's already on the web page. So let's take a look at what we would do to route this user's traffic to version 2 of the web page. So this user has a shop session cookie, so we'll apply that into our virtual service, and we'll apply this YAML file, and we'll go and we'll take a look at our web page, we'll reload the page, and we notice now that this user is currently being routed to version 2 of the web page. So we'll take this again link, we'll go into an incognito window, and we'll see what other users are seeing, and you see right away that they're being routed to version 1 of the web page. So now that's great and all, but what if we want to do some, canary deployments or some 80-20 or traffic splitting between our different versions? So the next thing we'll do is we'll take a look at a YAML file, which shows us what it would look like to split traffic 75% to version 1 and 25% to version 3 for all users who are currently not on the page. So right here, it's just as simple as adding a weight to the YAML file. So we'll go ahead and apply this, and then we'll go back and check on our web page. So for the user that's currently has a session ID, we'll keep refreshing the page, and if you notice here, it's still being routed to version 2 of the website. So now let's open another incognito window, and let's see what's going on for what all the other users see. So you see right away that they're at Hipster Shop version 1. And if we reload the page a couple of times, we should see about 1 in every 4 refresh get routed to version 3 of the web page. This gives you a very simple way to route traffic and do some splitting between your services. And simple enough, that was traffic managed with Istio.
And it was as easy as that to do weighted traffic distribution to different versions of our app.
Yeah, behind the scenes, Istio is doing all the routing and work, making it super easy for DevOps. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for our next episode on Istio.
And if you'd like to get in contact with us, click on the link in the description.